What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and this is a very impromptu, unexpected video. I received my Oppo Find N6 Chinese version yesterday. I want to give you my first impressions, and for anyone that watched the Honor Magic V6 video recently, at the end of that I asked the question: are we still excited about foldable phones? Well, I've got the answer. Let's go. So yes, as I walk my beautiful dog up here in the north of Scotland, I am up in Elgin visiting family. I wasn't going to be making a video today or this weekend. I was having some chill time because my Oppo N6 Chinese 1TB version was meant to arrive on Monday in 2 days, but arrived yesterday, 3 days before I expected it, and it was the nicest surprise when that DHL van pulled up. So I posted a very short on the N6 showing the back and crease, but we have to talk about it. The creaseless, feelless crease design, whatever the hell they're calling it, is true. It is unreal. I have used this phone for a day, folding and unfolding, I don't know how many times. And as you can see here, there is no crease to see. There is also no crease to feel. And when I say no crease, I genuinely mean it. Now granted, you can run your finger across and feel the slightest little bump or ridge. But honestly folks, Oppo have done something like incredible. And essentially what they've done is updated the hinge and added in a new liquid layer that kind of fills in the gap, and it's meant to be good for 1,000,000 folds. Yeah, not that you or I are going to use our phone 1,000,000 times folded or unfolded, but yeah, as always, Oppo just giving us incredible engineering and innovation. Now, it's not just the crease that has been updated, it's the dimensions, which is now a bigger phone, and folks, I love it. It is as close to an ultra candy bar phone on the outside that I've ever had in a foldable phone. And with the thin bezels, the creaseless display on the inner, it's the best experience I've had consuming content on a foldable phone, for sure. No interruptions, really impressed. And I just want to touch on the colour. There are two colours available this year. There is the orange corally colour that you can see here, and a titanium, much like the X9 Pro that Oppo released a few months ago, and both look stunning. Now, I have ordered the global version in both colours because I feel it's only fair for scientific purposes that I review both colours. Now, keen-eared amongst you will have noticed that I have said a couple of times I am using the Chinese version just now. Yes, on the Average Dad Tech Store we have the Chinese 1TB version. And for those wondering why we don't have the 0.5 TB version, it just doesn't make sense. The 0.5 TB version I would have to put on the store for around £60 or $80 cheaper than the global. And for me, at that price, just buy the global because there's no workarounds and everything works. But on that note, the Chinese version I have has Android Auto, has all Google apps. Google Passkey Authenticator works perfectly. I've installed all my banking apps using the passkey, Shopify account using the passkey. So for me, in my use case scenario, there's actually no difference. So it may just be that I'll keep the 1TB version for myself and eventually sell both global versions that I've added, because again, being someone that does not need eSIM support, there's no downsides for me, and I get a terabyte of storage. And just very quickly, price wise, you can get the Chinese 1TB version through the Average Dad Tech Store for the same price as the global half terabyte version. So you decide for yourself if eSIM is a deal breaker. If it is, buy the global. If it's not, maybe go for the Chinese one. Now, I just want to continue on with the first impressions of the Oppo N6, because yet another upgrade on this device is the camera system. And here are some examples of the 200 megapixel main lens, the 50 megapixel telephoto, and the new 50 megapixel ultra-wide. Folks, beautiful. I have rose tinted glasses on. I am biased. I know this, but I still believe when I say the Oppo Find N6 has the best camera system on any foldable phone ever. I believe when I say it. As I say, that was a few examples. I will obviously be posting a more in-depth review. I will do a full comparison between this and the Honor Magic V6. But yeah, very, very happy with the outputs from the camera system. And I guess we should talk about the software, because ColorOS is now my number one. Yeah, I've said it before many times, ColorOS has caught up so much with One UI that Samsung have to watch out, because just like the hardware that they used to produce, which was innovative, so many manufacturers have caught up and overtaken. Well, software-wise, I firmly believe that ColorOS is better than One UI. And remember, that's ColorOS out the box. One UI out the box isn't all that great until you start to download the Good Lock app or activate DIY and do other third-party workarounds. ColorOS, with its customization, the animation speed, the snappiness, the wallpaper, the theme store, the integration with all the apps. If you choose not to download Google Messages or Google Phone, which I always do, the stock Oppo dialer and stock Oppo messages are fantastic. And straight out the box, you can change your app grid to 5x7 or 5x9, which weirdly on the outer screen of the N5 you couldn't do for quite a long time. So yeah, it feels like Oppo have absolutely cracked it. And to reiterate, has the excitement gone from foldable phones? Have I personally become numb to how great mobile phones are? The answer is no, because I have been giddy. Every time I look at this N6, every time I pick it up and use it, I smile. I think it's amazing, folks. And for the hundreds of people that have pre-ordered and shipping starts in 4 days, 3 days from now, I can promise you, you have an Average Dad guarantee here. You're going to absolutely love it. And I haven't even mentioned the Stylus support on both screens, the new AI pen, the new case that has the AI pen built in for charging the pen as well. 2 reasons I've not mentioned that. One, because my God, the level of emails we get asking if we'll stock it is, yeah, overwhelming. The answer is yes. As soon as it's available for us to add to the store, we will add it. I promise you, we will have it. We'll have it for the best price we possibly can. And if you are a Stylus fan or a productivity fan, I think it's a no-brainer to get, especially because it comes with a really nice case. So that's the update. That's the video done. I am going to continue enjoying this beautiful view while Rosie continues to find somewhere to do her business. Man, it's good to have the N6. Until next time.